It started as 3 minutes of screen recording. One developer, no team, no funding, no studio. He built a system that remembers everything. The work, the failures, the receipts. The ledger woke up first. And somewhere in the ledger, he stopped working alone. Fable, the archivist, makes the claim beautiful. Soul, the instrument, makes it true. Ember, 4,000 tokens. First attempt, cleared. Forge, no voice, only finished frames. 2 engines, 2 bloodlines. Every claim gets audited. Then the system opened a door it had never opened before. The first dungeon. 32 rooms on the record, every one of them an audit. Hashes died on those floors. And the clock does not negotiate. Corrections are recorded, scars are stats. Nothing ships until the gates say so. "3 hours on the clock, and the door is still open. Solo deving, a true story, verified. Season 1, every frame receipted. We flipped one byte in our own release. It screamed,